Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making a doner kebab. It's a takeaway favourite and we're going to be doing it in the Ninja air fryer. God, I can't wait to try this. So we're going to be using this doner kebab mixture, and we're going to be using some lamb mince. This is 20% fat. Don't go too low on the fat content or it will end up being very dry. Also got a mixing bowl. We're going to be mixing it all in. So let's get on with it. Okay, so we're going to be putting the mince into the mixing bowl. I am wearing gloves. Just from handling meat, I do wear gloves. And we're going to put that little paper out of there. And now we're going to empty the sachet of flavouring spices, whatever you want to call them. Here's a list of all the spices included. And it's time to get messy. We've just got to mix all that lovely goodness up. Just mash it all up, use all your hands, get it in there. That's it. And what we're looking for is a sort of almost a pasty sort of texture to it. Just keep mashing it up. There we go, we're sort of getting there now. It doesn't really look like mince anymore. Going to add a little bit of olive oil. That's going to help when we cook it in the air fryer. That will help cook it all the way through. Knead it, get it all mixed up. The smell is amazing already. And now we're going to be putting it onto some kitchen foil or aluminium foil. Just going to pat it down, make a sort of loaf shape. And now we're going to tightly roll our meat in this tin foil. Try and keep it as tight as possible. There we go. And now I'm going to put another piece of foil and roll it the other way. And this will make sure that there's no escaping liquids. Everything's kept inside the foil. Really does help keep the flavour in. Keeps all the juices inside. Just fold over the ends and we're nearly ready to go cooking. And here we go, the Ninja air fryer. I've got the Ninja Flex Straw air fryer, so I've taken out the divider, the divider that goes into the middle of the tray. So I've got a lot more space. If you don't have a big drawer like this, then you could just roll up the meat mixture into two halves and put those in the one zone. But we're going to be cooking this today at 180 degrees at 40 minutes. Let's go. See you in a minute, guys. Oh my god, the smell is amazing. It's filling the house. Oh, can't wait to have a look inside. Let's turn off the air fryer and open this drawer. Wow. Can't wait to open this up and see how it looks. Let's get it out. And there we go. This is piping hot, so use some kitchen utensils to help unroll this meat. It smells absolutely amazing. And now with a very sharp knife I'm going to just thinly slice it, almost like a proper takeaway kebab. Just keep slicing it. It's very hot, a little bit crumbly. Maybe I should have needed the mixture a bit longer. Let's try cutting some longer pieces. And this is going to go great in a pita bread with some salad, some chili sauce. We'll do that at the end. Just keep cutting up thinly sliced pieces of meat, and there we go. Now I am going to put this back in the air fryer in some foil. There we go. And this is just going to crisp it up a little bit more. So in it goes. And again, turn on the Ninja air fryer. This time we're going to be doing air fry mode for 200 degrees and 4 minutes. Here we go. And there it is, finished. Smell is absolutely amazing in the kitchen. Let's get it out. Oh my god, it's sizzling away. Looks amazing. And there it is. Gonna get a pita bread and we're going to start making our kebab. There we go. And there it is, all sliced up. Gonna get some of this chili sauce just to finish it off. Amazing. There you go. If you like the video, guys, please hit the like button, leave any comments down below, make sure to subscribe. See you next time.